How to create a landing page in Canva. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can create a landing page using Canva. Now the first thing we're going to do is click on the search bar over here, then search landing page website. Now this will show us this option over here where it says landing page website, which we are going to click. And then this will redirect us to this page over here where we are offered multiple different templates that we can use and edit to create our landing page. You can choose any of these options that you want. You can edit it and convert it into the landing page that you like. Now for me, we're going to create a blank landing page by clicking on this option over here. And then we are redirected to this page over here. As you can see here on the top right, we can preview the progress of our page. We can publish our page, and then under share, we can simply download the website and many more. Now, as you can see here on the left side, we still have the templates options over here. If ever we do change our minds and just go with a template that we like over here. There's also layouts. There's also layouts that we can use for our web page. There's options for content, quote, hero image, column, images, agenda, articles, and many more. There's also styles over here. So my idea right now is to create a landing page that will thank the people who will buy my product, for example, a coffee product. So I'm going to choose an appropriate color that is related to coffee. So I'm going to make it light brown. It's like that. And then we're going to go and click on elements. I'm going to search coffee. And then we're going to go on click on photos. And then we will see multiple photos related to coffee that we can use to design our page. I like this photo of 3 cups over here. So I'm going to click this and then drag it into our canvas. And then we can position it the way we want it. Now I'm going to put it like that. We can also use this as a background for our landing page. I'm going to change its position because it's very distracting backwards, and then change its transparency to very light. Then we can add more designs if you want. I'm going to check the graphics. If I can see a graphic that I like, and add this message over here called coffee, make it centered. Going to look for more options. You can use this graphic over here by clicking this, and then we can position it to anywhere we want. We're just going to copy this, and we're going to put it in different location like that. Then we're going to move it backward, clicking the backward position. Then we're going to change its transparency to very light. I'm going to change this position this way so I can access this image to make it lighter, just like that. Same thing over here. Actually, I'm going to delete this image that I added earlier because personally I like this design much more than just the coffee bean being scattered. Can readjust this, and then I'm going to add another element by simply clicking on elements. I'm going to add a box over here. Need to drag it, making sure it's centered. Then I'm going to change its position backward, just like that. And I'm going to crop it to fit our image. And I'm going to make it more centered, just like that. And we can also add options to it by clicking this. We can add borders to our image, just like that. We could change the color of our border to white or brown, depending of what we like. I'm going to choose that. And our box has now a border. I'm going to add another box over here. Then I'm going to align it, make it bigger, readjust it. And then I'm going to change its position so that our wording won't be covered. We change the color to something else. Going to change it to, the, to brown. Then we can make it a bit more transparent. As you can see, we can see a box over here. I'm going to adjust that once again. Then I'm going to add a tiny message by dragging this over here that I will put, thank you for buying our product. Just like that. You can adjust it and make it more centered, and then we can change its font to something else. We can make it into this font over here, and then we can adjust its font size. And just like that. Then we're going to click on elements once again, and then we can see over here that we can add buttons for our landing page. We have this different options over here. I'm going to choose this option. I'm going to drag it here, make it centered, just like that. We're going to change the color to brown, just like that. Get lighter a bit, and that. We can add a message like go back to website, like that. You can change the font to something else. Let's change it to a much more fun font. You can make it into this font over here, and then we can enlarge the font, just like that. And to turn this button over here into a link, we can simply we're going to simply click on the box, and then we're going to click on this, and then we have this option called link over here. Then we can simply enter the link of a website or a different location where you want to redirect your customers after landing into this page. For now, we're going to put a random link like canva.com. Click on enter, and just like that, this button over here is now going to transfer us after clicking this page. Now to preview our quickly created landing page, we can click on this preview button over here, and then this will redirect us, and then this will show us what our website would look like. You can simply close this, and you can edit your page even more, add more things that you want to add. And after you're satisfied with your landing page, you can simply click on share, and then we're going to click on more. And after you're satisfied, we can simply click on share, and then click on website. Then we can now publish our website. As you can see, we have the options to resize it on mobile, and we could also choose where to publish it. We have three options. We can create a free domain using the Canva domain. You can purchase a new domain, and you can use your existing domain. For me, I'm going to use free domain. Then click on continue. We can add the descriptions over here. You can enable passwords. Could edit your URL over here. Then we're going to click on publish. Now, after publishing, your website or our landing page is now live, and then we can use it. And then now we can use it as a landing page for our existing website. We can click in this. You can now view your landing page just like that. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.